It is often said that the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And today, I want to celebrate and honor those who not only take the first step, but continue to persevere until the end. Life, my friends, is an intricate tapestry of challenges, opportunities, and dreams. It is a journey filled with twists and turns, highs and lows, but it's the people who dare to step forward, who have the courage to begin, and who persist against everything that truly make a difference in this world. Every single one of you, in your own unique way, has taken that pivotal first step. You've embarked on a path, perhaps uncertain, and you've confronted obstacles that may have seemed insurmountable at times. But what sets you apart, what makes you exceptional, is your unwavering commitment to keep going, no matter how tough the going gets. Remember the doubts, the fears, the uncertainties that whispered in your ear? You didn't just start, you continued. You didn't just dream, you acted. You didn't just face adversity, you overcame it. In our pursuit of success and fulfillment, we often come across setbacks and challenges. It's easy to be discouraged, to feel like giving up, but it's those who persist, who keep moving forward with determination and resilience, who ultimately achieve their dreams and inspire others to do the same. Remember, every great accomplishment, every remarkable achievement began with someone who took that crucial first step and then kept pushing forward with unwavering dedication. Embrace the challenges, for they are the stepping stones to your success. Embrace the uncertainty, for it is the canvas upon which you will paint your greatest achievements. Let us celebrate not just our own journeys, but also the journeys of those around us. Let us applaud the tenacity, the perseverance, and the unyielding spirit of those who keep going until the end. In the words of Jesus himself, enter through the narrow gate, for wide is the gate and broad is the road that leads to destruction, and many enter through it. But small is the gate and narrow the road that leads to life, and only a few find it. To you all that are willing to take that first step, thank you. You inspire me.